Let's go. Let's go ready. The last stream we ended here. We have to see what we're gonna do today. Hi to everybody who come
We're gonna
meet
starve
with
to
me
death up
and
here,
then
Mr.
fucking
Morgan. We're
let's go.
okay. We have a few cans of food and a
Right,
rabbit.
share
For
that
what?
by
10,
YouTube
12 people?
and we are here
When I was in the Navy,
to
I do not
make
wish to hear about what you got up to
can
in the
make
Navy, Mr.
more
Pierce.
videos
We were
and
stranded at sea
let's
for
go.
50 days. And you unfortunately survived. When we ran away from Blackwater, I wasn't able to get supplies in.
Everything.
Well, when government
Yeah.
agents are hunting you down, sometimes shopping trips need to be cut short. We'll survive. We always have. If needs be, we can eat you. You're the fattest. I sent Lenny and Bill hunting, and they found nothing. Well, Lenny's more into book learning than hunting. Bill's a fool. Unless those mountains are full of game that want to read, ain't no wonder they found enough of this.
We'll go find something. Come on, Arthur.
Wait a second. Hold on. Here. You're gonna need something to eat out there.
Nothing.
Assorted, salted offal. Starving will be preferable.
Come on, let's go.
Like
You
it.
can't go hunting.
Can't
Look at
skip
your hand.
I can't stay here listening to you two.
all of
If this
them.
game in those hills, I'll find it. And you can kill it.
You need to rest, Charles.
You think this is rest?
Just want to see it.
Come along.
Just
Here, you take this. I can't use it, and you'll have to.
Oh, you're joking.
Use a gun, and we'll scare off every animal for miles around.
let's go.
Never too old to
in
learn.
Discord, guys. Discord.
Come on, this way.
Let's follow. License. Don't know what's name.
How
Praxis.
you holding up, Charles?
I'm okay.
Or
Apart from this hand. Stupid mistake.
what is
Still
doing?
bad?
But
It'll be fine in a day or two. I just can't pull a bow right now.
Sure hope I can. Never really got the hang of it.
Careful. You'll be fine.
who the fuck is you?
So, you reckon we're gonna find something to kill that ain't no Driscoll?
No.
There's meat up here for sure. Pearson doesn't know what he's talking about. Now the weather's eased off a bit, they'll be needing to feed.
I'll explain.
Why are you riding off on me?
That ride north from Blackwater? Getting stuck in the storm? Going out for John? That thing with the O'Driscolls?
You've had a lot put on you.
Move,
I wish I could have done
nuts.
more.
I didn't mean it like that. Just a lot to think back on.
I still don't really know what happened on that boat.
Me neither. Well, Javier told me a bit, but it sure weren't good.
We skip. Thank you. We skip. We skip. Let's skip. We skip. Somebody shop. Shop.
See some of the ground uncovered here. Come on, let's try this way. Keep your eyes peeled for movement. The wind's died down too.
That's good.
No wind at all is bad, but if it's too strong, they won't move. Now shh. Stay quiet. Stop here a second. I see something.
Horse.
The
Goats.
bow, Arthur?
We trying
Come on.
also to work the dirt. I think he thinks the won't this.
No, use the bow I gave you. That'll make too much noise. Quiet as you can. Stay low and move slowly.
Then for the
Try to stay low.
How-
You see the tracks?
I think so. Maybe not.
Focus.
neck look
Stay
for
crouched.
10. No. Smells. Yeah.
Hey, I said slow
No,
and
don't
quiet,
close.
Arthur.
Window. Guys,
Down
look,
there.
guys.
You see him? Quick, get that bow out, Arthur. Try to hit him in the... Good shot. Now let's try for another.
No, fuck. What are you doing? What you want me to do? Tell me. Fuck. Fuck. Dios. Goodness. This, 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 this way. Fuck. Wait, this way. This way.
That's okay. Try again. Focus, Arthur. We need this meat. Watch yourself, Arthur, or we'll scare them all off. Unlucky. Take your time.
Ready to head back when you are.
Come on then. Let's head back. Let's keep moving, Arthur. Nice work, Arthur. Come on, get up here. Come on, we gotta stick together.
Anyway, you were saying.
Nice work, Arthur. Should be enough meat here to keep us all fed for a few days.
You found him.
I knew you'd be okay with that bow.
It's easier when they ain't shooting back.
We've seen enough of that.
Considering how things were looking a couple of days back, well, maybe our luck is finally on the turn.
Seems to me we should be putting our effort into getting off this mountain now.
Soon. People are still weak, and well, you've seen how snowed in those wagons are. They ain't going nowhere until we get some more thaw.
You're probably right. And even if we do get off here, what then? Still have a big price on our heads.
This is a big country.
Follow
We'll find somewhere to lie low. Dutch and Jose will have a plan.
Let's check points. First,
You notice how Pearson's had a buck? We give the camp cook 5 minutes to grab the essentials and go, and he doesn't even bring a crumb of food.
Good that we caught more than one. We've only been up here a few days and have already picked up 2 more mouths to feed.
One more. We ain't feeding the O'Driscoll a damn thing. Except maybe that can of salted offal Pearson was kind enough to give us.
The girl, she has a wild look in her eye.
Of course. She lost her husband, her home, everything she had.
So what do we do with her?
Well, once we get out of here and we're back on our feet, we'll see. She might have family somewhere.
Who knows? Maybe she'll deal with the O'Driscoll for us.
Well, I know who my money's on in that fight. He's weak, but that makes him much more useful. Maybe we can get to them before they get to us.
What is it with the O'Driscolls?
You ain't dealt with them? Yeah, I suppose. Yeah, we ain't run into
hard
them
to
much the
focus
last 6 months.
do
I guess because they've been over this way.
something.
Yeah, I've heard a lot of talk about them.
Tools.
Well, we've been scrapping over scores with them for years.
Watch out. Bear up ahead. Let's see if we can find another way around. What are you doing? Look out!
Yep.
It got me. Do you know that? That was fucking
Hey,
crazy.
Arthur, you awake back there?
Swear,
Yeah,
I'm gonna
just
What is it?
thinking. We ain't ever talked that much, you and me. How long you been with us now? 5, 6 months?
Something like that?
Bet you didn't expect this.
What?
Any of this. Blackwater mess. Being up here.
Sooner or later, a job's gonna go wrong. Nature of life.
I just thought you might have moved on by now.
You want me to move on?
No, not at all. I just know you could run it alone, no problem.
I did that for a long time. I'm done with it. Always wondering if someone's gonna kill you in your sleep.
I still wonder that most nights.
I reckon you're okay. This suits me. Sure, I could fall in with another gang, but Dutch. You know, Dutch is different.
Oh, yes. Dutch is certainly different.
He treats me fair. Most of you do. And for a fellow with a black father and an Indian mother, that ain't normally the case.
Well, we need you now. More than ever.
Good. And how long have you been with these boys? Why ain't you run off?
most of us. That's why we need to stick by him through this. He always sees us right.
Whoa! How's that new horse?
He's all right. He'll do for now. I appreciate you letting me take Taima the other night.
She's a strong one. It's been as hard on the horses as on the rest of us. I don't know what Dutch would do if something happened to the Count.
Same with Bill and Brown Jack. He's a drunk, miserable bastard, but he loves that horse.
I hope they all make it.
I tried to ride the Count once. Bucked me faster than a bull. Won't take nobody but him.
I'm gonna hitch time over here.
Drop some food back, boys!
Please. Human? Great.
It's next to mine. We don't want him running off.
Come on, let's get these over to Pearson. Thank you for showing me how to use the bow properly.
I only showed you a little. Takes a lifetime of practice to master.
Didn't know that.
Well.
Where?
Just drop it down in here. What a surprise. Find a camp rat loitering around in the kitchen.
Is that any way to greet an old friend? I feel like we haven't spoken for days.
I do my utmost to avoid you.
He loves me, really. It's his sad way of showing affection.
No, it isn't. Now shoot, get lost.
Well, see you gents later.
See, you got on just fine. Charles is a wonder. Have a drink, boys. You earned it. Jesus, what is that? Navy rum, sir. It's the only thing. The only thing. Keeps you sane, it does. Yeah, seems to have done a treat on you. You go rest that hand, Charles.
We'll be fine in a few days.
You mind helping me with the skinning, Mr. Morgan? It's easier if we do it together. Do I get to skin you? You're always one with the jokes, aren't you? Come on.
This really isn't a job for a man with a burnt hand. I'll see you both later.
You skinned that one, did you? Dumped on the floor there.
Hello?
Come on, don't make me skin both of these.
Don't understand you. I thought you wanted to do. Oh. Yeah. Oh. I need
Not too bad, Mr.
one,
Morgan. Yeah.
three,
They
one,
always said you were
three.
a butcher.
Thank
You know,
you for the
you can
follow.
trade these or sell
Thank you
these
for the
in pretty
follow.
much any town.
Appreciate.
If you're looking to make a
Appreciate,
legitimate
right,
bit of money,
right.
of course. Right now, I'm just looking to
For
get
the
off
follow.
this mountain.
My pirates. Pirates of the New World.
It's been a bad few weeks. But
Enjoy. Just enjoy.
Dutch, being
It's
Dutch,
not
he is
complicated
busy
to
making Dutch, being Dutch. Those plans
This
involve
is good.
robbery
This is
and
good.
dreams.
Make a thank you. But
Well, I thought you was reading him his last rites. Now I see you're introducing him to your other passion.
I'll mind you to show me some respect, Mr. Morgan.
Mind away, Reverend. You still here then?
I owe you.
Yeah. And you'll pay me.
first name or
But
is
for the moment,
you get
just
first
rest.
name?
Arthur, I think it's time for the train.
Want me to come?
Of course I do, but look at you.
I was always ugly, Dutch. It's just a scratch.
Don't lie still, son. Hello, Abigail.
Dutch,
Jackie.
the boy wanted to see you, John.
He's seen me now. Or what's left of me. What about you?
Guess I was hoping to see a corpse.
Bide your time. You'll see plenty of them.
You're a rotten man, John Marston.
He is an idiot, Abigail. We all know it. Now, railway men. Bill, now you ride ahead and set the charge at the water tower just before the tunnel.
Ain't a problem. Why are we doing this?
Weather's breaking. We could leave. I thought we was lying low.
Yeah, come on.
What do you want from me, Hosea?
I just don't want any more folks to die, Dutch.
We're living, Hosea. We're living. Look at me. We're living. Even you. But we need money. Everything we has in Blackwater. You fancy heading back there?
No. Listen, Dutch, I ain't trying to undermine you. I just want to stick to the plan, which was to lie low, then head back out west. Now, suddenly we're about to rob a train.
What choice have we got?
Leviticus Cornwall's no joke, Dutch.
Who is Leviticus Cornwall?
He's a big railway magnate, sugar dealer, oil man.
Well, how good for him. Sounds like he has more than enough to share.
Dutch!
Gentlemen, it is time to make something of ourselves. Get your horses ready. We have a train to rob.
Literally, I cannot see the shit.
Everyone ready?
No,
All right, let's head out.
I cannot see it. Something. It's winter winning.
Okay,
It's not the
gentlemen,
wind.
listen up. All of you. According to the
That's
information so kindly provided to us by the O'Driscolls, the train will be coming north from Big Valley. We're going to pick it off after it crosses the border into the Grizzlies. There's a raised spot there that should give us good vantage. Charles, you'll keep lookout for any
enjoy,
outriders.
enjoy, guys.
How's
Enjoy.
that hand,
Just
by the
enjoy.
way?
I'll be fine.
Enjoy.
Good. I'll take the driver and engineer, then run point. Lenny and Javier, you two take the front cars, deal with any guards. Arthur and Micah, you head straight for the back. That's what
Wait,
we're
1 hour
after.
we're
Mr.
gonna play.
Cornwall's private car.
You and me, Morgan. Great. Have you got a problem with that?
Not if you keep your head for once.
You worry about yourself, huh?
Enough! After Bill blows the tracks, we're gonna need to move fast. Is everyone clear on what they're doing?
Yep, Crystal.
You know, you know,
Good.
you
Now,
know,
come
you
on.
know,
Let's ride.
you know, you know. Well, look up. Oh, you know, you know. You know, I mean, swear to God. You know, you know. What's that? Oh, man. We're gonna split this.
I was riding with us, damn it.
I'm sorry.
Now, I'm saying, what about young Lenny here? Always the first man on his horse.
Just happy we're
Stop
back out,
talking.
Dutch.
You sure you're ready for this?
Yeah.
Of course I'm ready.
Just stay calm.
True.
Keep your eyes sharp.
Wait.
That goes for all of you. No mistakes. Not again.
So we do this, then we go back to Blackwater and collect.
Great.
What were you talking about before?
How many times you gonna ask the same question, Micah?
That's a lot of damn money to leave sitting for too long.
It would be crazy to go back there now. The place will be swarming with Pinkertons.
We go back
Lucas,
when I
Lucas,
say
what
we go
Lucas?
back, and that's the end of it. Money's safe. You'll just have to trust me. And if the O'Driscolls are right,
No,
there'll be a stack of railroad bonds on this train. Good money once we work out how to cash
let me
them.
go.
Now
Christmas
everyone,
is
shut up and get your mind on the job at hand. Oh, there's the water tower. Hold up here on the ridge. Easy. Is Bill there?
Yeah.
You want to head down, see how he's getting on?
Okay.
Nuts. Oh,
Whoa.
snap. This is motel. me.
Of the end of video, I will thank all of you who watching, and don't forget to like and
This is
sub,
what I
and goodbye.